Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious curried pork with veggies that's easy to make and perfect for lunch or dinner. The list of ingredients and the written recipe will be in the description box below this video. Start by heating cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the pork and fry for 5 minutes. Add salt. The pork will release its juice. Once the juices have dried up, continue frying for 2 more minutes until the pork develops a light golden brown color. Remove the pork from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add the onion and cook for 1 minute. Stir in the garlic and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the potatoes and cook for 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, add the tomato paste, chili powder, black pepper, curry powder, teriyaki sauce. Mix everything together and let it cook for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. Pour in the water. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 9 minutes. Then add the bell peppers and return the pork to the pan. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for another 8 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and the pork is perfectly cooked. Serve with steamed rice or warm naan and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.